Hi everybody. Today I am going to solve this problem which says S be the circle in the xy plane defined by the equation x square plus y square equal to 4. So this is the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, and here this x-axis and this is y-axis, so it is xy plane. And this equation indicates that our center is 0, 0 and radius is 2. Now let E1, E2 and F1, F2 be the chords of S. S, it is the circle. So these two are the chords. So let's draw the chord E1 and E2. Another one F1 and F2. Now there is another chord. Let G1 and G2 be the chord of S passing through the points P0. So let's draw this chord also, G1 and G2. And these three chords intersection point is P0 and it is 1, 1 coordinates. As well, the tangent G1 and G2, it meets at G3. Here also says tangent at E1 and E2 meet at E3. So let's draw that. E1 and E2 meet E3. Okay. Again, there is tangent to S at F1, F2. So let's draw that also. So this sketch is the total scenario of this problem. What it says at the end, then the points E3, F3 and G3 lie on the curve. There are 4 options. We have to choose which one is the correct. So let's join these 3 points, E3, G3 and F3. So it is a line. So let's move in the next slide to see what will be the equations for this line. To choose one out of these 4. Here we are writing some equations, say equations of this chord E1, E2. Surely it will be y equal to 1 because here it shows distance is 1, 1. So it means as well it is parallel to x-axis at a distance 1. So it is y equal to 1. Again for F1, F2, I mean this vertical line F1, F2 parallel to the y-axis, surely equation will be x equal to 1 because seeing these points. So x equal to 1. Now equation of this G1, G2. This G1 intersect at x-axis, coordinates is 2, 0, and here it intersects y-axis, points is 0, 2. So we are sure that intercept here, this distance is 2. Here also y-intercept also 2. So easily we can write the equation x by 2 y by 2 equal to 1, and then we can write x plus y equal to 2. This equation for G1, G2. Now for the point E1, here we have points E1 and F1 having tangent here also, here also. So first we need to find the points E1, coordinate of these points and coordinate of these points. Once we get the coordinates, easily we can write the equation of the tangent, equation of these tangents. So let's first find the point. So point E1, what we can do? At this point, we know that coordinate y value is 1 at this point E1. So this one we can put in the circle equation and we get x equal to square root of 3. So we get the point coordinates square root of 3 comma 1. So now we need to find f1 also. How to get that? F1, this point and this line is parallel to y-axis. It means we know the value of x. So x equal to 1. If we put x equal to 1 in the circle equation, we get y equal to square root of 3. So we got x and y, so we know the point f1. In the next slide, we will use these 2 points to find the equation of these 2 tangent. Here 2 things I did. First, I wrote gradient of normal at E1. We know any tangent, there will be a normal from the touching point to the center. If we connect it, it will be a normal and this is perpendicular on the tangent. So what is the slope of this normal? I mean say this O and this E1. It will be 1 minus 0 square root 3 minus 0 because already we got this point. So we got the gradient as 1 by square root of 3. Also we know normal and tangent, if we multiply the value of the gradient, result will be minus 1. So normal is 1 by square root of 3. Surely the gradient of tangent will be minus square root of 3 because both if we multiply, result must be minus 1. So once we get the gradient of tangent, surely we can write the equation of the tangents. How to do that? We know the points. Surely we can write y minus 1 equal to minus square root of 3. This is the gradient, I mean value of m. Gradient of the tangents already we got here with minus sign and x minus square root of 3. This point already we know value of x and y here. E1. In the previous slide we got these points. So simplifying, we can write the equation very easily as square root of 3x plus y equal to 4. Now we need to find the equations for this one. For f1, so gradient of normal at f1, same procedure we will follow and we will write as square root of 3 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0, we get this. As we know, gradient of tangent, gradient of normal, multiplying result is minus 1. So surely now we can write gradient of tangent will be minus 1 by square root of 3. So putting this in the equation for tangents, we can write y minus square root of 3 minus this is the gradient or the slope of this value for n. Simplifying, we get the equation. So we got two equations for this tangent and for these tangents. So let's take these two equations in the next slide to find the intersecting point here and here. As I told, I brought the equation of tangents here. E1, I mean this one. And this one, it intersects y-axis. It means value of x equal to 0. So if we put the value x equal to 0, so we get y equal to 4. So very easily we got this equation E304. Very easily we got the equation. I mean not equation, it is the points. Because we got 0 and 4. So this is the point of these intersecting points. Again taking equation of tangent and F1. I mean this tangent intersecting x-axis. Same way, but here we have to put y equal to 0, we get x. So surely our point will be 4, 0. So this is 0, 4, this is 4, 0. So we know E3 and F3 points. Now, tangents at G1, G2, already we know this G1 and G2, it is at a distance of 2, so x equal to 2, another one will be y equal to 2. Now, intersecting points of these two lines must be 2 and 2 because we know it is at distance 2, here also distance 2, so it is 2 and 2, these points. So we got 3 points. Let's bring these 3 points in the next slide. What we got now here? As I told, we have to get the 3 points and I am putting yellow mark. This point, this one, this point, this one, and this last one G3, it is this one. So already marked it with the yellow color. Now it's very clear to us. Now we need to find the equation of this line which passes through these 3 points. But we are taking 2 points first because we know this 4004, this is intercept with the x-axis and y-axis. So equation we can write like this type of line, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So a and b, it is 4 and 4. This 4 and this 4. So x by 4 plus y by 4 equal to 1. And simple way, taking 4 in the right hand side, we can write the equation nicely as x plus y equal to 4. So this is the equation of this line. That's what question was asking. But we know this is intersecting point 2, 2. But to be more sure, we can check it. Say if we put this point on this line, does it satisfy or not? Then we can say that this point also lies on this line. So point Z322, it also satisfied line because if we put the value of x and y22, it comes 4, it is right hand side 4, so it is Okay, so these 3 points are on the line. Now we are sure. So point E3, F3, G3 lie on the line x plus y equal to 4. So we got the answer. And in the question there were 4 options, and this option was on the first option as A. So x plus y equal to 4. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.